Hello friends, first of all greeting all of you. I am Prince from Nepal friends, and I am welcome to your and my channel technical friends. So friends, you know today topics friends, then I can tell you today topic is I can teach you how can recover delete footage. We delete it 2-3 years ago friends. Okay, so friends, I cannot waste your time and let's start the videos. So when simply you open your gallery, okay, when you open your gallery friends, simply you can click in album option. You can see friends, there is that type of photos, okay friends. Simply I can delete that photos and I can recover that photos, okay friends. Simply you can see clearly, and you can see when I can delete that photos, okay, and I also delete that photos friends, okay. And you can think how I can be recover that photos which I can delete that photos, okay friends. Simply you can see here is I cannot tell about the apps, okay friends. Here is setting, okay friends. Simply you can see here is album option, okay. When you click album option, you scroll down, okay friends. You can see, and you can see here is last recent delete option. Simply you can click recent delete option, and you can see friends which I can delete to few minutes ago. That photo is showing here, okay friends. That is only not, you can see which photo you can delete 3 years ago, 2 years ago. That all photo show in here, okay friends. You can recover all photos, okay friends. Simply if you recover only one photo, simply you can click in that photos, okay, which you can be recover. Simply I can click that choose and sync photos, and you can see here is two type of option. One option is delete and last option is recover, okay. Simply if you want that photos, you can click in delete, and if you want to recover that photos, you can click in recover. Simply I click in recover. You can see that photo is saved in that place which I can be delete from there. So friends, and I can delete that photos, okay. Simply I click in that delete photo. That photo is deleted from here, okay. So friends, and one thing friends, if you want delete all photos and if you want to recover all photos, how can you could do that, okay. Simply you can see in up there is select option, and you can see here is delete all option, and here is you can see and recover all option, okay. If you want delete all, simply you can click in delete, and you can, if you want to recover all, simply you can recover all, okay. And if you want, here is also one option, you can be choose tick, okay friends. You can choose in which photo you can tick, and you can see here is recover and delete option, okay. And simply you can see friends, I can recover that photos, okay, 3 photos which can be deleted few minutes ago. Simply I can click in the recover option, you can see friends, and I click in one time of option friends. You can click one time also album option, and you can see friends, you can scroll up, and you can see friends, you can go in your gallery, okay, main album option. You can see friends which photo is I delete some few seconds. Here is come back, okay friends. You can see that photo is I deleted friends. You can see that photo is come back, okay friends. And friends, that new models mobile have also that setting, okay friends. I say guarantee, okay friends. You can check one more also, okay. If you solve your problem, okay, if that videos give you benefits, okay friends, please like and subscribe my channel for that types more latest videos. Thank you, bye bye.